Today, we are making a delicious chicken korma. This recipe strikes the perfect balance between creaminess and spiciness with tender chicken pieces in a rich, flavorful sauce. Whether for a special occasion or a comforting meal, this chicken korma will become your new favorite. Let's get started. First, take cleaned chicken in a bowl and marinate it with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and juice of half a lemon. Give it all a good mix and let it set for half an hour. While the chicken is marinating, heat a pan and dry roast 15 cashews and 15 almonds on a low flame for a minute. After a minute, add 3 tablespoons of dry coconut powder and turn off the flame. Keep stirring to avoid burning the nuts and coconut powder. Dish out and set aside to cool. Next, let's fry the onions. Heat a kadai and pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add 3 medium-sized, finely sliced onions. Fry until the onions turn brown. Then drain the oil and set the onions aside. Now let's start cooking. Heat a kadai and pour in 5 tablespoons of oil. Add the whole spices. 1 bay leaf, 7 to 8 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 5 green cardamom pods, 1 black cardamom pod, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, and 10 cloves. Let the flavors release into the oil. Then add 2 tablespoons of freshly crushed ginger garlic and saute for a minute. Add the marinated chicken and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame, stirring occasionally for even cooking. Add 200 ml of whisked yogurt and keep stirring until well mixed and free of lumps. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the paste. Take a grinder jar and add the roasted nuts and dry coconut. Grind it into a powder. In the same jar, add the fried onions and 1/4 glass of water. Then grind it into a smooth paste. Add the ground paste to the chicken along with half a glass of water. Let it cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Crush half a piece of nutmeg into powder and set aside. Add 4 green chilies for spice. Sprinkle half a tablespoon of garam masala and the crushed nutmeg. Finish with a few coriander leaves and give it all a good mix. And there you have it, our creamy and spicy chicken korma. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me. If you love this recipe, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any variations you tried. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!